mag-celebrate tayo ng 5 taon DKSA.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. For today's vlog, napaka-importante ng araw namin ngayon dahil isi-celebrate namin ang 5th year anniversary namin as a group, as having agency dito sa Bigo Live. Kaya sundan nyo ang napakagandang araw na ito sa aming preparation. For now, pupunta ako dun sa kabilang room, nag-check-in yung mga admin ko, sila Curty and Jill, para i-prepare yung mga pang-giveaways namin. Kasi guys, ang party namin ay dito lang din sa Hilton Hotel. So, sa baba lang dito. Kaya, dito na kami magpe-prepare ng mga gamit. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pang-giveaways namin. Dahil yun yung inaasikaso namin right now since wala pa yung mga suppliers namin. So, punta na ako dun sa kabilang room. So, what's happening here? Ayan na, galing sa ating mga sponsor. Siyempre, galing kay Bigo. Galing kay Bigo yung una nating mga ipe-prepare na giveaways. Ito, mag-e-enjoy yung mga mahilig sa BTS dahil meron tayong 10 recipe book na ipapamigay din mamayang gabi. Nandito yung mga favorite ninyo, mga BTS. Ayan. Hindi yan para sa inyo, para yan sa mga a-attend. At syempre, thank you so much, Boss Toyo, para dito sa Cellboy. Ang dami! Thank you so much, Bigo. Thank you so much kay MA Gadget Store para dito sa mga pag-giveaways. Additional nila to. Ang dami nilang pinadala. So, thank you so much, MA Gadget Store. Sobrang daming mga nag-sponsor ng giveaways. Hindi sila magkanda o gaga kung kanino na ipapamigay. Basta handa na kayo, DKSA family, para sa event later. Meron din tayong mga hats na pamigay later. 10 piraso yan, guys. Ayan, 2 to. Tapos, 2 din yan. Galing pa yan ng Australia, pinabili ko. Yan, hindi pa namin natatapos yung mga pang-giveaways. Pero, pababa muna ako sa kusina kasi meron akong mukbang challenge na gagawin. Yan na yun. Ayan, pakita mo nga. Kita lang natin. Wow, meron pa tayong mga giveaways. Babalikan ko na lang mamaya kasi nag-aantay na ang ating nice print. Wow, may nice print ang DKSA. Napaka-social naman. Nag-aantay na sila kasi yun nga, sila na rin yung mag-shoot ng vlog collaboration namin with my Ninang Superman. Ito na, pababa na ako doon. I think nakaset up na sila kasi kanina pa rin naman sila dumating. Doon na namin gagawin ng mukbang. Mukbang, oh my God. Hindi ako nag-breakfast dahil pinaghandaan ko tong oras na ito. Halika na, magmukbang muna tayo. Setting up na ng ating cocktails area. Dito ang DJ. DJ Boo.
DJ Harlow.
Hello! Thank you,
Yes, wala po. Magbihis ka, mag-makeup ka na muna. Kasi pag nag-set up, nandun na si Mark sa taas.
Ang dami niyang may make-upan. 4. Sige, akit na muna ako dahil nagsiset up na sila dito para makapag-prepare na tayo. Busy na ang mga persons. Akit na tayo, magpa-prepare na tayo para sa big party. Ayan, meron din tayong mga pa-surprise na mga lipis. Lipis lang ba laman nito? Basta may laman yan. Galing sa Mac.
Alright guys, this is it. Our big event is finally happening, so I'm about to go downstairs. It is our 5 years for DKSA family on Bigo, and it's very, very exciting because this is actually the first time we're throwing a big event. So we're expecting about 200 people. We're having it here, of course, at the Hilton in the Cocina, and we have a bunch of goodies, cocktails, food, everything. We've got some great performances. We've got a host coming in, and it looks like it's gonna be a fun night. I've seen the guest list. It's gonna be exciting. So let's go.
Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful. I was restless and stranded on my own. Time seems endless.
I wasn't prepared for this speech because I only found out about an hour ago that may speech pala ako. And medyo lasing na ako. But okay lang. But it's good to see everybody here because this is actually our very first event. And it is our 5th year anniversary. But it's nice to see all the faces here. We have a lot of our hosts from the first batch, second batch, third batch, all the way to whatever batch is now, 6 or 7. But what I love about Bigo is that I love that all you guys have a story. And we had a recent event, I think it was about 3 or 4 months ago, where it was the first time that I got to hear all of your stories that you were able to put your sister and brother through school, you're able to fix your house, you're able to buy appliances for your family. So I think that's the best part about Bigo is, other than being friends and connecting, you also are able to help and have fun. And we're all here because of one app, which is Bigo Live. So it's nice to see everybody here for the first time. A lot of you we're actually meeting for the very first time. Some of you we've met many times in a row. And it's just nice to have everybody here in one place. So I hope you enjoy tonight. We have our other founders here, which is Diana, Carson. Sadly, Ate Sarah couldn't be here, but sana next time. It's 6th anniversary, sana hindi pa siya. But thank you to all our special guests tonight, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy the cocktail bar, which me and Carson have been enjoying for the last 2 hours. But yeah, just have fun, enjoy the night, and make some friends, take some photos, and have some good memories. So DKSA, you've been a great part of my life in the last 5-6 years, and yeah, I just want to thank all of you for being a special part of my life and Diana's life, and yeah, it's been a great journey. So thank you very much, and DKSA.
Let's go!
Thank you, thank you.
And Sir Andy. Thank you kasi nakilala ko kayo. So, yun lang. Enjoy kayo guys. Bye!
Hi! Happy anniversary DSA! Happy 5th anniversary! Thank you for the opportunity, of course, for the support and for the unexpected friendships, and big shout out to our founders and admins. More years to come.
It was just an idea, and now it's a reality. It's been, if we see 5 years na kami, hopefully it stays from 5, 10, and 15. So we met a lot of people, we connected, and as where Sir Andy said, we help a lot of people, especially during pandemic. And now, it's a family that we are proud na kami yung founder. And I would like to thank everyone. You spend your time tonight. Alam namin busy kayo lahat. But you did your part, we did our part. And I would like to thank Diana Spiri. She is the brain of the DKSA. Lahat na to galing sa kanya. Kami ni Andy, we just here to party. We just drink. Ang hirap pala dito sa stage. Anyway, I would like to say, enjoy. This is our night. Sa atin to, enjoy DKSA. We are family from everywhere. Philippines, USA, Canada, Australia. We are here. So enjoy lang kayo. There's drinks, food, booze, everything. Alright? Enjoy. Thank you.
Always by your side. I'll be always by your side. Through shifting skies and endless miles, I walk with you through every trial. And it's enough, I gotta say. It's super important, we all need a place.
Nag-celebrate tayo ng 5 taon DKSA. Siyempre, gusto ko sanang i-acknowledge din yung suporta na nakuha ko ngayon from GMA, ang mga kasama ko sa bago namin TV show. Thank you so much guys na nagpunta kayo dito. Baka naman pwede kayo pumunta sa stage. Kokoy!
It's a vibe, heart-to-heart moments we live. Always by your side. I'll be always by your side. Shifting skies and endless miles. I walk with
So thank you guys for watching the vlog. We really appreciate it, and thank you to all our sponsors for our DKSA 5th anniversary. It was absolutely crazy. We had a great time. Thank you to all the guests that sung, and to all the people that came, especially our hosts, some of our older hosts, as I mentioned, from first batch all the way till the batches we have now, and of course to our celebrity hosts before. But yeah, we just had a great night. This is just a behind the scenes look. So this is actually not the official video of the DKSA party. So we have an official video coming out soon. Hopefully it'll be ready by next week, Sana. But hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes look of how Diana put the event together. Honestly, she did an incredible job. I don't know if I could have done that myself, but yeah, everybody had a lot of fun, and we had an after party, but we didn't shoot anything there because we kept that sort of private. But yeah, good times put in. Thank you everybody for arriving and having fun with us and sharing more memories with us, and we hope to see more of you guys. So thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.